Hello dear students. In today's topic we will continue with the topic letters. Okay. Uh, let's discuss how to write letters to the editor. Okay. And this is the format of a letter to the editor. Clear? Here we will write on the left top corner by the margin we will write address given. You will be given an address in a statement, or if it is not given, we will prefer to write examination hall. Okay, and the city name, thereafter date, then the editor. Okay, here you have to write the name of the newspaper. There are some students, most of the students, they sometimes forget to write name of the newspaper when it is written that write a letter to the editor of a national daily. So they sometimes write here the editor and national daily. So this is a wrong move. Okay, you should mention the name of any English newspaper clearly here, thereafter where it is published from. Okay, address. Okay, then subject. Okay, that should be in a line. Okay, thereafter salutation, and we sometimes write dear sir or ma'am. Okay, thereafter body of letter. In body of letter there would be three paragraphs. In first paragraph you have to declare uh, why you are writing the letter. Okay, clear, using the certain opening phrases, okay, and expressions. Thereafter you have to leave a line between the paragraphs, and you have to give the details. Okay, first intro, then detail, and thereafter conclusion or appeal or report. These things should be included while writing a letter to the editor. Okay, then start fresh paragraph from the margin. This is called margin. Okay, so do not start with do not start any paragraph from the half of a line. No, it should be started from the margin, and then complementary clause, yours faithfully, and your name. Okay, understood? So let us write a letter. Okay, clear? So students, this is the statement. You are Kapil or Kavita. You feel that the kids of primary school are burdened with their school bags. Okay, write a letter to the editor of a newspaper. The name of newspaper is not given, so you have to invent it. You have to write by your own. Okay, clear? And about, this is the main motto of your writing letter, about the undesirability of primary school students carrying heavy bags to their school. Okay, clear? Let's start writing. Okay, first of all you have to write your address, self address. When it is not given, we will write examination hall. Okay, ABC city. Thereafter date. Date might be 25th May. Okay, 2020. Okay, and then the editor. Okay, and here you have to write the name, the Times of India. Okay, the Times of India, name of newspaper, and then the city, Chandigarh. Okay, clear? Thereafter subject. Subject is burden of school bags on kids. Okay, students, it is quite an ironical situation that the small kids, they carry heavy and cumbersome bag. Okay, and the senior students, they do not even carry all their books in their bags. Okay, clear? Sir, now we'll begin with the traditional opening lines. uh, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of authorities and people towards the heavy school bags carried by kids of primary schools. Okay, students, this para is all about of the introduction, or why you are writing this letter, to tell why you are writing this letter. Okay, clear? Now we will change the para. Okay, the kids are burdened with their school bags. Okay, heavy school bags heavy school bags are a serious threat to the health of to the health okay to the health of to the health and to the health and well-being to the children. Okay, clear? Okay, let's repeat the line. The kids are burdened with their school bags. Heavy school bags are a serious threat to the health and well-being to the children. Okay, clear? It is a severe adverse physical effect, okay, on the growing children. Okay, so let's write this line. uh, it is a severe or adverse physical effect on, or if I correct this line, it has a severe adverse physical effect on the growing children, which can which can damage their neck bone or vertebral column and knees. Okay, moreover the public schools moreover the public schools Public schools of today's time have multi-storied buildings, have multi-storied multi-storied buildings. Okay, and the kids have to climb with their heavy bags. Okay, clear? And it can be a serious threat to them. Okay, these young kids are these young kids are these young kids are what they are prescribed books more than the criteria are prescribed books more than the criteria decided by NCERT and SCERT. Okay, State Council of Education Research and Technology, National Council of Education and Research Technology. Okay, some serious steps should be taken should be should be taken in this regard. Okay, the digital classroom the digital classrooms can be a solution to the to the problem. Informing the students earlier informing the students earlier about the required books can be a deciding step deciding step. Okay, now students, we have to conclude this letter. Okay, I hope the authorities will look into the matter and necessary steps will be taken to decrease the mental as well as physical pressure from young minds. Okay, okay, students. Thanking you. Okay. Yours truly and name Kapil. Okay. So students, this is our letter. Okay. Uh, you can read this letter by pausing this video for some seconds. Okay. Clear? Clear? Now we'll try to write some more letters and I'll write them beforehand so that I can save your good time. Okay. Nearly everyone in the country watches television and listens to radio, especially the news. Those who are literate will read the newspaper every day. Thus, opinions are formed and views are expressed. Okay. The media is clearly responsible for what people believe or not. Here, what write a letter to the editor of a national daily stating why the media should be truthful and responsible should be truthful and responsible in not more than 120 to 150 words. You are Naresh Kumar of 83 HF Apartments, Munirka Vihar, New Delhi. Students, here in this particular letter, you have to describe the responsibility of media. Okay, so I am going to write this letter and after that we'll read it clearly. Okay, so let's start the letter with the self address 83B HF Apartments, Munirika Vihar, New Delhi, 30th May 2020, or you can even cross it. Okay, the editor, The Hindu, PTI Building, New Delhi. Okay, subject, responsibility of the media. Sir, through the thought-provoking columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the readers and the media personnel to the responsibility of media to tell the truth when broadcasting information to the public, both national and international. Okay. Most people in our country watch TV or listen to the radio. Okay, to the radio, they hear, watch, or read about the events taking place in the country and all over the world. Okay, whether the news is exaggerated or fake, most people believe what they see or read. Okay, and when they form their own opinions based on it, the media, be it those behind the cameras or those writing about it, have a moral responsibility to the country to state the news truthfully and without prejudice and exaggeration. Okay, students, media sometimes exaggerate things or manipulate things just to make it sensationalize, just to make it a sensation. Okay, it is hoped that my views will highlight or accentuate the influence the media has in shaping people's lives. Okay, this will help emphasize to the concerned personnel that the truth should never be manipulated or evaded. Okay, yours truly, Naresh Kumar. Okay, students, and now we will write, or we will try to learn the last kind of letter, that is application for a job. Okay, clear? In an application for a job, we need to write a cover letter. Thereafter we need to make a detailed biodata of ours. Okay, so first of all, let us read the statement. You are Kapil or Kavita. You wish to apply for the post of office assistant in AK International Limited. Okay, write a letter to the manager applying for the job. Okay, clear? So let's write. First of all, your address will be written here. Okay, 18 Ramnagar or Noida. Okay, clear? um, 11th May 2000, or you can create cross. Then the receiver's address, the manager, no? manager the manager, AK International Limited. Okay, Noida. Okay, sir. And then subject, we can write subject even after the salutation. Okay, sir. And this is the subject: application for the post of office assistant. Okay, clear? And underline this. Okay, this is with reference to the advertisement in the Times of India dated 8th May 2020 for the post of office assistant. In your company. Okay, I wish to apply I wish to apply for the same. Okay, I have the required qualification qualifications and experience for the said post. Okay, please find enclosed my detailed biodata for your kind consideration. Okay, if selected, I assure you I assure you that that I will work to the best of my abilities. Yours faithfully, and your name is Kapil. Okay, then you have to write here enclosed. What enclosed? Biodata. Okay, number one. And next, photocopies, your Xerox photocopies of certificates. Photocopy of certificates. Clear? Okay, this is your cover letter, beta. And after that, you have to make a biodata. So in the center setting, in capital words, write the word biodata, or you can write resume, or you can write uh, curriculum vitae. Okay, that. Okay, now here name Kapil Kapil Kumar. Okay, clear? Sex male, date of birth, that is 18 February 1987. Okay, thereafter mention the father's name. Father's name is Mr. JP Kaushik. Okay, marital status, शादीशुदा हो या नहीं? Marital status unmarried. Okay, clear? And thereafter current address means where you now residing, कहाँ आप रहते हैं, current address. Okay, 18 Ramnagar, Noida. Okay, then contact number, contact numbers. Okay, 98126789. Okay, 22468, and last two digits can be. Okay, and thereafter the most important point, educational qualifications. Students, to explain, to depict the education qualification, you can even make a table here, or you can write in your write as write in sentence format. Okay, clear? So I'll write it in sentence format. Okay, clear? So you can even begin writing education qualification from the lower class to higher, or you can right from higher to lower. Okay, passed class 10th from CBSE with 76% marks, passed class 12th from CBSE with 88% marks, passed BCom from Punjab University Chandigarh with 70% marks, passed diploma in computers from NIIT with 70% marks, and passed BLib, Bachelor in Labyrinth Science, from MDU Rohtak with 75% marks. Okay, clear? Clear? Work experience. Another point. Work experience. Yes. So you can write it like this. Working as an office assistant at Divine Hospital, Delhi, since 2014. Okay, worked as a sales executive with ARG Private Limited, Chandigarh. Okay, from 2012 to 2014. Okay, clear? Another point is expected salary. Okay, and which you can write here negotiable. Okay, then you should give the references, and in references you have to give names of people, name of persons you know in that establishment or any other distinguished person. Mr. SK Yadav. Okay, सेल्स मैनेजर कहाँ भाई, इन ग्लोबल जाइंट्स गाजियाबाद. Okay, second Mr. AS Pandey. Okay, sales promotion office, ARG Private Limited, Chandigarh. Okay, you can even give their contact number. Okay, 98137889. Okay, clear? So students, this is your application for a job. Okay, keep practicing beta, and be active now. Okay, make the best use of your time. Okay beta, thanks for watching this video.